stone, 30, 35 knots outside. Just do what it is. Also, using the TP32 with the treats. That thing, don't talk to me about it. I'll shut up next to someone. I've got 2 reefs on already on the main. It's quite main heavy, this boat. Oh, where the hell? Oh, full Genoa, balance. You see this line here? This is attached to the bow, and it comes back to plastic ties. Just on the edge of the wind there. She's just looking up that little bit. She's got tailtail. arrival to Holyhead. Going to pick up the berth here for 2 days. 2 days. Some 25 knot winds and I'm knackered. So going to get a berth here and then make way back on Friday. I'll quick check a windy. You know the score? It's Friday. The 6th of May. I've been out 6 days now. Headed back up because my plans have been dashed for making it down south. There's just too many low pressure weather systems that just making it impossible to make any leeway out into the Atlantic. I've had to look at it. The up and down of it is, I'm not going to make it for the time scale I've got, for the amount of cash I've got. So I'm in Holyhead at the minute. I managed to claw back up to Holyhead. I've been here 2 days, waiting for a weather window, and it's just shy of 5 p.m. now on Friday. Is it Thursday? Thursday. I've got to be back by Saturday because there's another low system coming through. Well, the low is just to the south west of Ireland, and it's dragging more wind through it as it passes down. So I leave here at Holyhead at 1:15, 1:20 in the morning, because I don't want to go via the Skerries. I basically just take a beeline straight out an hour before high slack water, get close to the TSS that's there, and then just make best course possible, avoiding whatever ships there is for northwestern Whitehaven. Other men will come up on me port side after a couple of hours. Wind speed at the minute is 15, gusting 20s. I've probably got this on the nose for the first, I don't know, first half an hour, give or take. I've got to make 2 miles, something like that, and then I can make a line for a good course. So that'll be interesting in the dark. It's gonna have to be motor sail on some of it, and it is what it is. I'm not a purist like that. You know, if you've got to use your motor, you've got to use your motor. You know, it's common sense. But I'm going out. Holyhead does not have a marina. Who'd have thought that? The marina hasn't been rebuilt at all. I tried calling him on 37, nothing, when I came in here the other day. So I've just, I've ended up picking a mooring buoy up with the sailing club. And yeah, so I came in yesterday. But they haven't got any showers that are working at the minute either, so it's just been, I'm just looking forward to getting back to Whitehaven now. So, as I say, I'm just prepping everything. Everything's prepped on the boat. Nav lights work. Everything's stowed down. I've cargo netted a lot of the stuff. I've had a bit to eat. I'm going to have a little bit more to eat in a bit. Talk to the missus and the family on FaceTime. Get everything charged up, ready to go. I've got the 3 GoPros all charged up, ready to go. So hopefully I'll just be able to do a bit of footage that way. It's not going to be my focus of attention though. It's getting out to sea safely and sailing safely. I'm going out. You can leave your mooring buoy here with your mainsail up. So I'm going to go under a triple reef main, just simply because of the winds the way they are. It's easier for me to shake out a reef than it is to put one in on my own. Yeah, but 15-20 knots, it's going to be a bit of a lumpy sea state.